Welcome to this super quick test drive of LMN Time. Here we're just going to explain a little bit about what Time's all about, because it is a game changer. LMN Time is going to replace all those timesheets and paperwork that you've been filling out for years, and it's going to make it a lot more accurate. Crews are going to clock in and clock out of jobs, and they're going to do it because that's how they get paid. The app works so that as they clock in and clock out, that data goes automatically to payroll. But the trick is, while we're doing it, that information's also getting cost to the jobs or tasks that they were working on, including internal and shop jobs. So you'll know where every single payroll minute gets spent in your company. And you can analyze and look at that data, jump in and make improvements where you see necessary. Now, in addition to just time for payroll, LMN Time is also going to give you job costing. So it's going to measure estimated versus actual hours. And in fact, it's going to feed that information to the crews so that even your crews know when things are on and off track, and they can react accordingly as well. But in addition to that, we can also upload files to jobs and quality control instructions so that as a crew is clocking into a job, they have all the information they need to get the job done right. You can create schedules in LMN Time, both for design build and recurring schedules for maintenance. And you can invoice work because it also tracks the services that were completed each and every time the crew logs out. And if you're a snow contractor, it'll even automatically log the weather for you. Finally, this information is fed to reporting, but probably most importantly, invoicing, so that you can bill for all this work in minutes without the worry of mistakes and data entry problems you get when sorting through paperwork and human data entry. LMN Time will change your business. It'll make it far more efficient. We guarantee it'll save you tens, maybe hundreds of hours a month. So jump in, have a look around, and let us know if you need help. Remember, you can always reach out to us using the support button for live chat, our help center, or email us at support@golmn.com. We're standing by, ready to help you get up and running.